YouTube. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. Chest circles with snake arms. Challenging as it is, okay? So maybe you want to sit on a chair. I'm sitting on my favorite drum. Her name is Delilah the Darbuka. But you may sit on a chair if you prefer. Okay, so first things first, we're just going to go straight into the arm work, okay? So what you're going to do is, it's basically a snake arm. Shoulder up and shoulder down. Vertically up and vertically down with your shoulder. Imagine a straight line, okay? So up and down. Up and down. Keep your neck. Don't lose your neck when you do it. Up and posture, no slouching. As tall as you can, okay? Up and down. Breathe. Up and down. Make sure you're not trying to lift from your whole body, just your shoulder. Up, down, one more time. Up. And then we're going to add in the second part of the arm, which is the elbow lift. So I want you to imagine you're someone's poking you in your elbow and lifting it up, like you're a puppet on a string, okay? So the elbow comes up. The elbow comes up. Now as the elbow comes up, faces to the corner, to the side of the room, you're going to flex your wrist like this. Okay, make sure that your fingers, it's like basically a right angle, okay? You want to make sure your fingers are facing the same direction as your elbow. Not forward, not down, definitely not like this, okay? So deep posture. Let's put it together. So you go shoulder lift, then you lift the elbow, and as you lift the elbow, you have to make this shape happen. Make this shape happen. It's like a zigzag thing, okay? And then you're gonna extend the forearm and put your fingers to the floor, okay? All right, so, and then you're gonna pull your shoulder in, pull your shoulder backwards, like backward a little bit, then you bend the elbow again, and then you release the fingers, okay? So we go shoulder on one, lift the elbow, flex the wrist, put your fingers that way, no other way, okay? Then extend the forearm, pull the shoulder in, bend the elbow and caress the air. Caress the air. I don't know, imagine you're caressing something that feels really wonderful to your touch. Okay, so shoulder, elbow, wrist, forearm, shoulder, elbow, wrist and forearm. Okay, so let's go. Up, and you're caressing something. What are you caressing? Maybe silk? Maybe a cat? I don't know, whatever you want to caress it. So I like to imagine I'm caressing the air, the particles of the air with my fingers as I come down, because you can't see air, right? But it's there, otherwise you'd be dead. So caress the air for giving you life. Yes, why not? Okay, or whatever you want. Chocolate, maybe chocolate, ice cream, I don't know, but caress it. All right, there you go. So there's your snake arms. So come to my school, right? Because I teach you properly. There's significantly more details to snake arms than this, but this is just enough to get you started, right? So up and down. All right, then we're gonna go into our chest circles. We're gonna try and combine them in a second. So your chest circle is a vertical circle. I'm going side first, up towards my chin or to the ceiling, side, 3 or 9 o'clock and down. So I'm gonna draw the circle. Try to keep the circle above your bra strap or above your sternum. Sorry, not your sternum, but above this area here, right, where your solar plexus is. Okay, I'm going to do a massive circle. Make sure you're not slouching, okay? So kind of why I'm sitting on my drum, on my beautiful drum. So we're going to straighten up, woo! And then do your circle. Okay, so nice big circles. If it helps you sitting on a chair, you can hold the sides of the chair and make sure that you're nice and tall and you're forcing your way to draw a circle. If you're not used to doing circular motions or moving your chest, you're going to find this quite challenging to begin with because your muscles probably have never moved like this in their life. So don't be deterred. Don't say, oh, because I can't do it. My body doesn't do that. Yes, it does. You just need to practice or you just need to be taught properly. So come to my school. I will teach you properly. Anyway, round, round, and round. Okay? All right. You might be somebody who likes to do your chest circle the other direction, which is fine. We all have a favorite way, okay? So tall as you can, graceful as you can, give yourself a nice, long, beautiful neck. Even when I'm sitting on my chair, on my drum, I'm tall. I'm growing out of it. Yes. Okay, all right, here we go. So, shoulder, elbow, wrist, shoulder, elbow, wrist, shoulder, elbow, wrist. And then the chest will be side, up, side, down. When my arm goes down, so does my chest, so it connects. As my arm goes up, my chest goes up. When it's about here, it's sliding over to so when my arm's at its longest is what I'm trying to say. the chest is going to be over there, right? And then it goes down. When my chest goes down, my arm goes down. Side up, side down. Side up, side down. Side up, side down. You might need to go a little bit slower to try to coordinate, because it's all about timing, right? You're going to get the timing of the chest and the snake arm together for it to flow, otherwise you're going to get real stuck. We don't want to be stuck, we want to be free. So take it around, okay? Chest circles for 4, for 3. You can do this on the bus if you want, or on the train. It might look a bit weird. But if you don't want anyone to sit next to you, try it, see what happens. For 4, for 3. If your shoulders burning, good. 2, and 1. Ah, give it a rub, give it a rub, give it a rub. Thank you so much. As usual, make sure you do the other side, okay? I'm making a deal with you right now. As soon as you've finished, don't just wander off and have tea or biscuits or whatever you're gonna do right now, okay? Rewind and then reset on the other side and do it the other way, okay? We're gonna do both sides, right? So thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and follow. Come and join my school. I'll look after you.